So here we are at 4 something, maybe 4:30 in the afternoon. Are we crazy? I mean, seriously, it's raining. It's raining hard. Hard enough I had to put my poncho on. Why are we down here? Didn't rain all day. It's a beautiful day today. So here we are. Yeah, I wanted to show you those clouds back there. Aren't they pretty, huh? Wow. Oh. Well, the heavy downpour stopped at least. That's a good thing. Now we just walk along the beach for a minute. It's cold. Yeah, Mike says cold. It is. That's very chilly. I'm going to turn this around so you can see better what we're walking into. Big, heavy, dark clouds, huh? Scary, rainy clouds. There's the sun. Sun sets around 5 o'clock, so it's getting ready to go down. These goofy dogs, huh? They don't care when it's raining. They're just happy to be out. They're happy to be at the beach. I guess we should be more like them, more carefree. I don't know. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. People up north are saying, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I am so glad that that's not the case here. So I want to tell everybody to have a good evening. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Good night.